So I want to talk to you about something that's really serious, and that is the market. And I don't create the market, I don't control the market, I don't have any, I just work with the market. And a lot of people think, well, real estate agents are the one that sets the price. That is incorrect. The market sets the price of what someone is willing to pay for or rent for your house. Right now, everyone is really upset with the price of rentals. It's because the market has increased, and it's the market, not me. The market has increased owners' prices of homes. Their taxes have gone up exponentially because the assessor's office has changed the assessment on their homes and have increased taxes 40, 50, 60% I've seen in the last year on taxes. All of those things affect what a owner is paying for the house. And it's come to the point where, yes, they could have rented their, 2-bedroom for, maybe $2,000 last year, but now with taxes, they need $25,000 just to break even. So insurance, because they have to have insurance to cover the value of the home. So that means their insurance goes up. So between insurance, taxes, maintenance costs, try to buy a fridge nowadays, look at the prices. All of those things have just gone exponentially up, and that's what's causing the increase in rental rates. It's not greedy landlords, it's the market and what everything else has happened.